Can you show your fairy, the little fairies that you got? Can you show them on the video? So cool, huh?
So, hey guys, tell me, Olivia, tell me, what did you hear? Did you hear something last night?
I heard little sounds on the roof.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think what it was? A bird that was walking?
No, I think it was reindeer.
Really? So,
Really? What did it sound like?
It sounded like this.
Wow. Did you hear something, Fee? No, you
No.
were sleeping, huh? You were sound asleep.
And I also heard snoring.
Sophia, huh?
Really, Fee?
Yeah.
Well, you were a little snoring snoodle last night, Fee.
And
Yeah.
you, Lila, you weren't asleep?
Nope.
No?
Well, I'm surprised that Santa came. He usually doesn't come when you're not, if he doesn't know you're asleep.
But did you come out in the living room?
No, but I was thinking about it.
Yeah? But you didn't?
No.
Oh, sweet. Did he eat all your cookies and everything?
Yes.
Oh,
He
look
drank
at
the
that.
milk and ate the cookies. And look what he
Amazing.
left us.
Wow.
A little lollipop. And there's chocolates all over the tree.
Really?
And look it. He found your book.
Yeah?
And look it. I want to eat more now.
No.
So we're going to go down and eat some breakfast first. Huh?
Thanks, Fee.
And I want to hear more about this Santa Claus sighting that you heard. I want to hear more about that.
Later in the night, I heard even more of it.
What did you hear?
I heard something. First it was loud, then it started to get quiet.
Good night,
Because they
people.
were starting to stop, I think.
Maybe that's what they were leaving?
No, because they
Did it sound like that?
Hmm?
Yeah? Was it just like that? Wow. Is that how it sounded, Lila?
Yeah.
Wow, Fee, you got to hear the bells? That's
Yeah.
so cool.
And I heard one of the reindeers like maybe doing this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Breathing real heavy?
Yeah. Did.
Asher?
Because I heard something. I know it wasn't Sophia or me. And it couldn't have been you or Daddy, but because you guys were on the other side of the room.
So, what did you hear?
So, after the bell stopped, then I heard a little... I think that was Dasher, because he was the one who always was doing that.
Uh-oh. So you think you heard one of the reindeers patoot?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well, that's certainly something rare. I bet not everyone gets to hear that.